What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitz in the building today with another recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Jamaican curry shrimp. Yeah, here we have some nice jumbo shrimp and we have some fresh seasoned chopped up and ready to kick off the ball. So stay tuned where I show you how to make your Jamaican curry shrimp.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So here we have about 10 or 15 pieces of this jumbo shrimp that we're using. Nicely washed and ready. I rather you use lime to wash your shrimp because the shrimp is so easily to cook. So when you add probably vinegar to clean it, it will basically push the cooking process more. So you don't want to cook your shrimp so early. So wash your shrimp with a little bit of lime. Alright. So over here we have some fresh ground seasoning that we chopped up. We have some bell pepper red. We have some green. We also have some white onion that we chopped up. We have some that we put in julienne strips. We have some carrot. We just use a small piece of carrot, not a lot, because you don't want your shrimp to be sweet, and carrot tends to get your food that sweet taste of it. Yeah, we have some fresh thyme here, fresh from the farm. We have some pimento seed, about 5 of them. We crush about 2 and leave the few. Alright, we have some chopped green onion, aka scallion. Alright, well chopped up. Over here we have some chopped garlic with a little piece of chopped ginger. We have some green basil. We have black pepper there. We have some all-purpose here, nice all-purpose seasoning. And one of the king of the show, fresh scotch bonnet. Alright, also we have some Irish potato. We're using the two types. We're using the yellow and the white one. Alright, so that is the yellow one, which is more easier to cook, and this is the white one, which more a little bit harder, which keep it state when you put it in the pot. Yeah, so the yellow one will probably mash it out easy, and the white one is gonna keep a firm state in the food, because you know you have to put additional to add to your shrimp, especially when you're cooking for more than one person. All right, so these are some of the seasons that we use it. We have also our curry, like Jamaican curry here, so we're going to use that. So stay tuned while I go through the process what we're going to do to season up our right. So now we're going to season our shrimp. So now we're adding half teaspoon of ground black pepper, right? Fresh ground black pepper. We're going to add half teaspoon garlic powder. Yeah, not a lot. Good. We're going to add half teaspoon curry. Yeah, later on if we need more we might add it, but half teaspoon curry. Alright, we're going to add half teaspoon of our all-purpose seasoning. Right? Good. Right? We're going to also add another half teaspoon of our natural seasoning. Alright? This kind of natural seasoning tastes very nice. So when you add this, you don't have to add any salt. Right? Half teaspoon. So no salt. Everything already salted. We're going to add our chopped onion. All our chopped onion in there. Right? And leave the julienne strip once. Alright? Also, we're going to add some of our dry scallion, dry thyme, not scallion, about half teaspoon. Good. Nice. And then we're going to add a little bit of our scotch bonnet here. A little piece, not all. This is how you can manage it. Alright? So we're using the bigger part of our scallion, the root part, and we're going to use the other part for the garnish. Alright, so we season it with the root part. Alright, so we're gonna mix around this nicely and put to marinate. Right, today I'm not currying up my finger. I don't want to get my finger curry up today, as you can see. Right. So we're gonna leave this to marinate for about 30 minutes at least. But you just want to taste the flavor in your shrimp. Alright? While we're gonna start prepare the pot for the curry. Right, so before we forget our pimento seed, let's add our pimento seed, our crushed pimento seeds to our shrimp. Yeah, because pimento seeds make you fish. And just a little bit of oil, using olive oil. Just a little bit helps to keep the season on your shrimp, alright? Yeah, so it look good now. Right? So let's leave that to marinate now. Alright, so here we have our pot heated. We're gonna add some olive oil to it, probably about 2 teaspoons. Alright, nicely. And then we're gonna first put in our white Irish, alright, which is the other one to cook. Then we're gonna put in our chopped onion, julienne strips onion. Alright. Saute it. Nicely. Then we're gonna add our carrot. Carrot is a little bit harder to cook too. Saute all of this nicely. Alright. Alright, so let's saute this nicely. The reason why I'm doing this is a little more harder to cook. We make sure kind of pre-cook our Irish first. Now I'm gonna add half teaspoon of curry. Right? And then we're gonna kind of burn this. When we say burn it, that don't mean you're gonna wait till your curry get black. The reason why we kind of burn our curry, it keeps away from getting belly hurt, stomach ache. And you know, if the curry don't properly cook, it will give you stomach ache and belly hurt, and you don't want that. So this is why we kind of a little bit burn our curry. Alright? You can see our Irish potato look nice, kind of nicely caramelized. Right? Now we're gonna add our yellow potato. So we add our yellow potato, which is easier to cook. Alright? Put some fresh thyme. Fresh thyme in. Good. Let's add a little bit of black pepper, just to give it a nice little seasoning to it. Good. Now we're going to add our garlic. Here we have our garlic and our ginger. So you see why I add my garlic and ginger so late, because garlic and ginger easily burn. Alright? So now we can take out our shrimps and place them in nicely and kind of caramelize them. Put in our shrimps nicely and then we're going to kind of caramelize. When you see that red look start to come up on your shrimp, you know that your shrimp is getting caramelized. Yeah? Nicely until them catch that flavor. Alright. Kind of caramelize them. Yeah, let them caramelize them. You can see the color on the shrimp started to change. Alright, color on the shrimp started to change nicely. Alright, so we're going to leave that to caramelize for about another minute and then we're going to add our rest of ingredients. So next up, we have about half cup of coconut milk. We're going to add it to the container that we season the shrimp in, just to get that additional flavor. Alright, you can use a coconut oil if you want to, where you don't have to add the coconut milk. Alright, but I love my coconut milk. So now we're going to add it to our shrimp. Alright, so you're going to allow that to nicely cook for about 5 minutes. Come to a boil for about 5 minutes. Alright. Look at how beautiful it is. Alright, so after 5 minutes, this is how your shrimp's supposed to look. Alright, we're going to add final set of ingredient, which is our bell pepper. All of our bell pepper we added. And our rest of chopped onion. Alright, and also a few of our green chopped onion. Gonna add some of it. Right. So we're gonna stir this nicely. Oh, you can smell the scent of it, the flavor, the aroma. Turn things down low heat. Good. Wow, you can see the thickness of our curry shrimp, man. So put it down on low heat and leave it to simmer down, and then we can share it nicely. Alright, so now our shrimp is ready to share. We can serve this up with some nice basmati rice, well cooked down. Right, or you can eat it with some bread. Soak up the whole of the goodness. Look at it. Easily. Yeah? So I'm going to serve this out in a plate and let you see it. And there you have it. Your Jamaican curry shrimp. Look at how beautiful it is, yeah? Yeah, man. I'm going to walk this up with some basmati rice. Yeah? Yeah, man. I hope you guys continue to subscribe to my channel, Chef Fitzroy Needham. Yesterday, I made my 100 subscriber. Thanks to all of you guys who subscribe to my channel. Continue to subscribe because I'm going to throw out a lot more recipe. Yeah, man. So, Jamaican curry shrimp, I'm out. Love you.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.